Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're reviewing a complete home security bundle that gives you full coverage without monthly fees, the AOSU Outdoor Wireless Security Camera 4Cam Kit. If you want reliable home protection that's easy to install, subscription-free, and powered by the sun, this system is designed to give you maximum convenience and peace of mind. This kit includes 4 fully wireless cameras, each powered by its own solar panel, meaning zero charging and zero downtime. The solar setup keeps your cameras running continuously, even in long-term outdoor use. And here's one of the biggest highlights: these cameras have 360 degrees pan and tilt with auto tracking, so they can follow movement smoothly and keep subjects centered in the frame. Most outdoor cameras only cover one angle, but this system gives you full view flexibility. You also get 2K QHD resolution for crystal clear recordings day and night. With color night vision, you can see people, faces, and details even in low light, something basic night vision cameras often struggle with. The image quality is sharp, bright, and reliable for identifying activity around your home. The AOSU system comes with no subscription fees. Local encrypted storage ensures your footage stays private and accessible without monthly charges. That's a big advantage for long-term savings compared to other brands. Setup is simple thanks to true wireless installation and support for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, ensuring stable connections and smoother live feeds. The auto tracking feature works with advanced AI detection, allowing the camera to differentiate between people, vehicles, and general motion. You get accurate alerts instead of constant false alarms. Each camera is weather resistant, designed to handle rain, heat, dust, and outdoor exposure year-round. The companion app makes it easy to view live feeds, control pan tilt, replay recorded events, and customize alert zones. If you're looking for a complete home security solution that's powerful, smart, totally wireless, and subscription-free, the AOSU Outdoor 4Cam Kit is a fantastic choice. Check out the Amazon link below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Gadgetverse for daily tech reviews. See you in the next video.